Hello, my dear students. So, in this session, we are going to discuss how your new circuit and network analysis paper has got modified from the 2021 curriculum, and now you are studying entered into the 2025 curriculum. As of this subject is basically an analytical subject. So, this subject is basically an analytical subject. You would have studied about a maths paper in your semester 1. So this paper of circuit theory will likely be having both mathematical equations. It will be having both mathematical equations. Along with that, you will be having some problems, and you will be having some analogies, and you will be having some theorems. So this curriculum, that is EC25C02, this is called as your course code, and the course title is Circuit and Network Analysis. So with this, you are going to study this course, and you are having 5 units under this. Okay, so the units are named as Circuit Law and Network Theorem, Steady State Analysis and Transient State Analysis of AC and DC circuits, Resonance and Coupled Circuits. A small change, it's not having 5 units, it is having 4 units, and fourth one is called as your linear and two-port network. My dear students, so as of the 2021 and 2025 curriculum is about, as of this subject is concerned, so your in 2021 curriculum, this subject is called as your circuit theory. This subject was called as your circuit theory, but whereas in this 2025 curriculum, this subject is called as your circuits and network theory. Okay, and circuits and network analysis. Circuits and network analysis. So with this, what is the extra thing they've added is the part that they've added in extra compared to your previous paper is 2021 curriculum is this linear and two-port network analysis. This is a newer form that they've added with this curriculum, but whereas this was an older concept that during our studies of education we used to study this, and the remaining other the 3 units are the compressed 5 units. The cramped model of 5 units of 2021 curriculum is the first 3 units of yours. So in our earlier curriculums, we used to study the DC circuit analysis and the AC circuit analysis, and your steady state and resonance analysis, steady state and transient analysis as a separate unit, and final is called as your coupled circuits. Okay, so but whereas here from the unit 1 onwards, you will be studying about the DC and AC circuits as an analogy. Okay, on comparison we used to study, and you'll be having Ohm's law, the Kirchhoff's law. The resistors will be used in only in your DC circuits. When it goes for your AC circuits, it will be having the inductors and capacitors. So you all will be knowing, you would have studied in your physics of grade 12. So what is a resistor is, and how an inductor will look like, and how a capacitor will look like. So my question is, the unit of your resistance will be in ohms, the unit of your inductor will be in henries, and the unit of your capacitance will be in farads. Okay, so the unit of your resistance will be in ohms. Preferably you go from your ohms to kilo ohms, and as of the henry is about, the preferably used values is millihenry to up to henries, and as of the capacitors, the unit will be from your microfarad to millifarad. Okay, these are the various units and conventions that we will be using. Okay, so and about your voltage division rule, current division rule, everything you would have studied as a different title in your grade 12 physics. So this circuit and network analysis is a continuation of your grade 12 physics. So that is your unit number 2 will come, current electricity will come, and your unit number 4 alternating currents will come, and your unit number 3 electromagnetic induction will come, and as well as your unit number 1 where you'll be studying about your electrostatics, wherein you will deal more with your capacitors. So unit 1 is for your capacitors, that is your electrostatics, and as of your inductors about, you will be studying only in this alternating currents regarding your Faraday's law and Lenz's law. And as of the resistors about, you will be studying in the lesson called as your current electricity. So don't think this subject is a different subject. It's a continuation of your physics only, but whereas you will study in a different arena. Okay, we are there to support you. The major requirements to complete this course successfully is you from the day one onwards you need the scientific calculator. Okay, you need the scientific calculator to solve the problems, because there are many more shortcuts with which you can do the process very easily. And the next one is you need a proper node, and proper node maintenance is needed. Okay, so if that is done, and apart from that, you need to have a well qualified book. The preferred textbook is Height and WH Camerly. Okay, that is the engineering circuit analysis. And the and you can even use some books like the Sadiku book also you can use for taking up this. So this course will be having both your theory and as well as practical, both are integrated. And we'll be having some laboratory experiments too. We are having around 6 to 7 laboratory experiments. This can be very easily done. And apart from that, the assessment methodology is you'll be having your intern examinations, you'll be having the flipped classrooms, and you are having the practicals also into the line. And we are having many online resources and fundamentals to learn more about this course. I'm there to support you, and this is Dr. Logesh, who will be the course teacher for you. And it's an happy learning environment with you all. Thank you, my dear students. Before coming to the class, kindly have a look into the syllabus, and after seeing this video, download your curriculum, or else I will share you the curriculum. Thank you all.